Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the structures of functional group of methanol, phenol and methoxymethane. That is one example we have taken from alcohol, phenol and ether. In alcohol you can see the carbon and oxygen bond is a sigma bond which is formed by the overlapping of sp3 hybridized carbon with the overlapping of sp3 orbital hybridized orbital of oxygen. So this is sigma bond which have bond length is 142 picometer. The bond angle is 108.9, right? So it is slightly less than the bond angle of tetrahedral angle. What is tetrahedral angle? The tetrahedral angle is 109.28 degree. So it is slightly less than the tetrahedral angle. Why? It is because of repulsion of lone pair of electron present on the oxygen. On the oxygen you can see there are two lone pair of electrons are present, and due to repulsion of these lone pair of electrons the bond angle is slightly less than the tetrahedral angle. Whereas if we talk about the phenols, the O is attached with the carbon, and the carbon is present in the benzene ring, and in benzene ring the hybridization state of carbon is sp2. So in sp2 hybridization the S character is 33%, right? Now here you can see the bond length. The bond length between oxygen and carbon is 136 picometer, which is slightly less than methanol. Why? There are two reasons. The first reason is conjugation. About the conjugation, I have discussed in the previous videos in alkyl halide chapter. The lone pair of electron present on the oxygen are in the conjugation with the carbon of benzene ring. So due to conjugation there is partial double bond character developed between carbon and oxygen. So when the partial double bond character developed, then double bond will be shorten the bond length. And number 2 is sp2 hybridized carbon. The carbon is present in sp2 hybridization state where S character is 33%. If we talk about sp3 hybridization, in sp3 hybridization the S character is 25%. So if we compare, in sp2 hybridization the S character is more the S character, shorter will be the bond length. So there are two reasons. The first one is conjugation and the next one is S character. That is why the bond length of in phenol is less than as compared to alcohol. Right, now let's talk about the ether. In methoxymethane, or you can say diethyl ether, the oxygen having the 4 electron pairs, 2 are bond pair attached with the carbon and 2 are lone pair present, and they have arranged in a tetrahedral arrangement. Approximately the bond length angle you can see 111.7 degree. The bond angle here is slightly greater than the tetrahedral angle. Why? Why? It is due to repulsive interaction between two bulky group. Here you can see these are the bulky group. यहाँ पे कितना crowd है? There are similar crowd over here. So two bulky groups are present on both the side of the oxygen. So there is repulsive interaction between two bulky group. ये एक दूसरे को दूर करते हैं, and that is why what will happen? The tetrahedral, the angle will be greater than the tetrahedral angle. So that is all about the structure of alcohol, phenol and ether. If you want to note down the reasons and the causes, you can note down from here. Thank you so much for patiently listening and understanding.